You're welcome in today's Yoga Mudra session. Let's talk about Mudras for health. Yoga Mudra for cough and cold, that is LING Mudra. Now, the 5 amazing health benefits of practicing LING Mudra are: this mudra has the ability to cure your cough and cold as it generates immense heat within the body. Second, this mudra helps you to adjust with the climate change. If you are practicing it, you will face less breathing problems. Third, this mudra removes excess fat from the body. Fourth, this mudra cures ailments like sinus, pneumonia, tuberculosis, asthma, and pleurisy. Fifth, practicing LING Mudra along with Surya Mudra improves digestion power of the person. Now there are some other benefits of practicing LING Mudra as well. The first benefit is LING Mudra boosts your immune system and it helps with weight loss also. After discussing the health benefits of LING Mudra, let's talk about how to perform LING Mudra step by step. First step is LING Mudra can be performed while standing up or seated. Second, clench fingers of both the hands. Third, now you make the thumb on the inside erect. Make sure the thumb on the inside is erect and not the thumb on the outside. Now, 5 things you should keep in mind before practicing LING Mudra. Improving your health is our prime duty, so you need to know how to safely practice this mudra. First, while you practice LING Mudra, make sure you are consuming nutritious food that includes fruits, vegetables, and milk. Second, this mudra increases heat in the body, so do increase the intake of water. Third, stop practicing this mudra once the ailment is cured because that might cause irritation in the body. Now the speciality of performing LING Mudra, that is, what makes LING Mudra so special. LING is the Sanskrit term for phallus. The LING Mudra is so called because it increases body heat by focusing on the element of fire inside the body. Now the easy timings to perform LING Mudra. You can perform LING Mudra in any of the following ways. First, 1 to 3 sittings of 15 minutes each a day. Second, 1 sitting of 45 minutes a day. So this was all about LING Mudra. You were watching Mudras for Health, Yoga Mudra for Cough and Cold, that is LING Mudra, on Mudras by SmartKaur YouTube channel.